Hello friends, we will do an exercise. Changing questions, statements, yes no questions, WH questions into passive. The tense is the present perfect. Let's see how are we going to do it. Simple, you remember all those things, no? The other day I told you. Alright, you have given me a book. So this is a sentence with the two objects. When you have got two objects, what you do is that you take the personal object or the direct object. So I, passive will be I have been given a book by you have given me a book. I have been given a book by you. I have been given a book by you. Simple. Yes. Next one. Has Prasad eaten anything today? So what will you do? First you saying that into a statement. The answer: Prasad has eaten. Prasad has eaten something today. Then the passive will be something has been eaten by Prasad today. So it has to be changed in a question. Then has something been eaten by Prasad? Has something been eaten by Prasad? Question. So the answer also should be a question. Yes. Who has seen the mysterious lady? So you have to change first that into a statement. So this, instead of who, you will say he. He has seen the mysterious lady. Then the mysterious lady has been seen by whom? Him will become whom. By whom has the mysterious lady been seen? Question mark. By whom has the mysterious lady been seen? Simple. Then we have got next. Why have you done it? So you change that into a statement, then you will see you have done it. Why? So it has been done by you. Why? Why has it been done by you? Question mark. Why has it been done by you? Question. And the next one, have they done their work? Very simple, you can see. What is the answer? Their work has been done by them. Their work has been done by them. Simple. The boys have done it well. It has been done well by the boys. It has been done well by the boys. Thousands have sacrificed their lives for us. So, thousands have sacrificed their lives. The thousands, their lives have been sacrificed by thousands for us. Their lives have been sacrificed by thousands for us. Or for us, their lives have been sacrificed by thousands. For us, okay, let's say. You can also write like this now. For us, their lives have been sacrificed by thousands. Sacrificed by thousands. Portia has argued her point well. Her point has been argued by Portia well. Simple. Her point has been argued by Portia well. Then he has taught us Persian. We have been taught Persian by him. We have been taught Persian by him. Why we? Because personal. Us is personal object. So we also direct object. And then 11. Some have made generous contributions. Generous contributions have been made by some. Simple, that's why I am not writing. Generous contributions have been made by them. Alright, where have they kept the gold? So you change that in the statement. They have kept the gold. Where? So they have kept the gold where? And then the gold has been kept by them where? Where has the gold been kept by them? Where has the gold been kept by them? And then you have, who has known this? Very simple. By whom has this been known? By where has the gold been kept? So here, by whom has this been known? By whom has this been known? Simple. Has he won the prize? Case. Has the case been won by him? Has the case been won by him? First you think that statement. Have you brought your book? Have you brought your book? Have you brought your book? Has your book been brought by you? Has your book been brought by you? Has your book been brought by you? Alright, and the last one. He has called many, but few answered his calls. So you can say, many have been called by him, but his call has been answered by few. Alright, so long sentence, so there are two passages. There are two passages. So you can say, many have been called by him, but few but his call has been answered by few. Many have been called by him, but his call has been answered by few. Very simple, I think. Since you have been doing it, so any doubt regarding this thing? Any sentence has caused any problem for you? Is it a problem for you? Who has known this? You can say he has known this. This has been known by him. Him will be by whom this has been known. Alright, if it is difficult, I will write it on the board for you. Then it will become easy. Isn't it? So I think that it is, you have understood and you can do any type of sentences. See, look at this. Who has known this? Who has known this? Question. So instead of who, he has known this. Okay, then this has been known by him. Instead of by him, by whom? By whom? Question, by whom has this been known? By whom this has been known. Clear? No. I think that you must have done all this. It was very easy for you to do this. So if you can do all these things, then any sentence in English you can. I told you, whenever you are in doubt or a problem, you find that something causes a problem, immediately you change that into a statement. When it is a statement, it becomes very easy for you. All what you have to remember about passive is one, if you have two objects, you take the direct object as the subject of the passive. That's one point. Second point is that if there is a personal object, use the personal object as the subject of the passive. Like for example, taught us English. You can say by whom English has been taught to us. But we have been, by whom have we been taught English? That would be better. Also non-specific things like somebody, someone, or even he, him, his pronoun, you can drop. If you drop it, that is classical. You can say. Listen. That means you know it really well, or that's style also. That's good style also. Instead of saying by him, by someone, by anyone, all these things are not required. So you can just leave it because those things are understood. Hope you have been following me very well. Thank you very much. So we'll see again. In the next class we will be discussing uses of the present perfect tense, and that's very, very important. Because many people confuse this with the past tense. They think that present perfect is past. No, not at all. Because if there is any signaling word of past tense, like yesterday or last year, or say last hour and so on, we cannot use it. You can never use past tense, present perfect tense with a time indicating the past. Say for example, yesterday, last year, last week and so on. Never. I have seen. Probably we have come across many people doing this now. We have completed the work last year. How can you say completed the work last year? Okay, more about this we will see tomorrow. Till then, bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.